Hey, this is Bobby Lou Allen, and the question is, are you doing the key strategies to help you grow your business? So today I'm going to talk about 3 critical strategies for your success. And it can be success in your business, it can be success in your personal goals and personal life, traditional business, online business, it doesn't matter. The first strategy is visualize your future self, your best version of you. Some people call it a why, but it's actually bigger than a why. It's actually envisioning you in your most successful version of yourself. You really want to be able to do that, and you want to think about that every day when you get up. Envision yourself as your best version or your future version of yourself. Because when things get tough, that visualization is what's going to pull you through on the tough days. And it's really bigger than the why. The why is part of it, but you've actually got to see yourself being successful in that future state. And you got to do it every single day. Now, the second critical strategy is you've got to invest in yourself. You got to be reading good books. You got to be seeking out, people who are giving webinars or subject matter experts in your industry or your field. You have to build your skill set. And what's great is a lot of this stuff is actually online and for free. Subject matter experts out there are actually giving away free content to help you build your skill set, build your yourself. Now, the last one is a mentor. Now, you've got to have a coach. You got to have a mentor. It doesn't matter what your business is, or if you're an athlete or an actor. It really doesn't matter. You've got to find someone you trust, someone you respect, and that person can act as your mentor or coach. Hopefully, there's someone who's already achieved what you're looking to achieve. Because the thing about it is they can help cut years, I'm telling you, years off of your journey to get to where you want to go. And you really got to find that mentor. They're actually going to help you upgrade your circle of influence. You're going to start interacting with people who have maybe already achieved what you're looking to achieve. So it's critical. You've got to find a mentor, and you've got to engage them as a coach, and it could cut years off of your journey. So 3 critical things. You got to vision your future successful self. You got to do it every single day. You got to invest in yourself, and a lot of that can be free, but you got to improve your skill set. And then you've got to find a mentor and coach. Okay? So those are 3 critical strategies. If this helped you out, please comment, like, share. Visit me on my blog, BobbyLouAllen.com, and I appreciate it. Hope this helped you out.